everybody, welcome back to Mandla Gingirikani. My name is Legere Ekesdors. I'm thirsty in Totora. Thank you very much for joining me. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so. Hit the subscribe button today and make sure that whenever we do our videos, you're the first to receive it. So hit that notification bell, man. Yeah, give it some thumbs up the video and then share it with your friends. So today we're going to do some listening session. Yeah, we're going to listen to some song. Most of the time we're here analyzing. Today we're going to listen to some music, man. And thank you very much for Tiyani and Nsuku for giving me this song so I can listen to it. If you also wanna promote your music on the channel, please hit me up. Make sure that you hit me up, man, so that your song is heard all over the world, because Mandla Gingirikani is your home. Thank you very much, guys. So let's just listen to the song without any further waste of any time, man. We don't get to waste each other's time, okay? As much as the song is produced by Tiyani, the vocals there is Nsuku. Nsuku is from the area of Tanin in the Limpopo province, Nice vocals, guys. Very nice vocals. And can you believe this guy is actually studying computer science? Can you believe it? This is not right. Yeah, anyway. And the producer there, Tiyani, is coming all the way from Botoleng. There, Kashkundu. And outside Malamlele, if you've been that side, Malamulele, not Malamlele, Malamlele.
Selina, Selina, why are you so cold? Selina, Selina, why are you so cold?
Oh, guys, did you hear that bass? It goes away, and then it gives a chance to the vocals, and it comes back. Go, 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 go.
I give you my heart, give you my love, give you my all. Why are you so cold?
Did you hear that? Did you guys hear that percussion? Pa, 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 What is that? Guys, I have a question. Would you prefer the song to have the bass continue? Right now, it's just pausing and comes back all the time. Do you like that? I like that. I just feel like it creates a bit of a feel, to the song.
Make me who you want to have. Selina, Selina, why are you so cold?
Okay, Selina is the name of a girl. So the dude is having a conversation with a girl, begging some sort. It's Women's Month, and we have to, appreciate all the women in our lives, big ups to all the women in our lives, in different ways. We all have women in our lives, and we have to appreciate them. And this song sounds like that. The guy is begging a lady here. We don't know whether it's very romantic or it's just like, friendly or any kind of way. Yeah.
Selina, Selina, why are you so cold?
You know why? Guys? I wish I could dance because I feel like this song, I could dance to it any day. And if I had a car and I'll pump it in the car, I'll drive all the way. Because I just don't know how long is the song. But it sounds like it's a very good song. You can drive long distances listening to this song, and it's, oh my God, it's a good song.
I give you my heart, give you my love, give you my all.
I also like the message because it's staying away from all the patriarchal way of women begging men. Now it's a guy begging a lady. How cool is that? Damn.
Why are you so cold? Would you
I love that Hosho sound. It's so nice, man. It fits the theme of the song.
Shorty, I'm alright.
Damn. Who's playing the trumpet? Yeah. And the guy is playing very simple lines, not very complicated, Very, very simple stuff, guys. I love this song. You better go and stream the song because it's there on iTunes and all streaming digital platforms. You can download the song. Check the description down below. Please go there. There's so many things happening. There's the trumpet playing, there's the drum, heavy beat. It's like so nice, and it's not clustered, it's not stepping on top of each other. There's nice order. I love the song. Damn. Guys, Tiyani, do you guys have an album out? Like Nsuku, where do you guys get this kind of vocals, man? This is so cool, man. Okay, wait. Let me reverse that. Who's singing now here? Let me hear this. Who's singing? I think that is Tiyani singing. I can hear a bit of auto-tune here and there. It's nice though. It's very nice. It works really nice.
Love is easy. Someone the same way that I love you back. My love, where is your love? Show me that love. Show me that love. Show me that love.
This song could be playing in a club at around 4 a.m. and you still be on the dance floor. Trust me.
Show me that love. 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 Show me that love.
Bible. Why? The song is over. Bible. The song is over. Just like that. Guys, are you guys like me? Like, are you guys feeling what I'm feeling right now? Because I feel like this song is too short. This song is too short. I'm just restarting it now because it's too short. But I love this song. I really love
Selina.
I really love the organization of the song. I love the song. I really like it. I like the tempo. I like the fact that you have Amapiano combined with vocals. It's cool. It's quite cool, eh? I love it. I really love it, and I love the bass. And it's not too busy as well. And the lyrics of the song is not a long singing kind of song. When they have so many lyrics, like you have long lines. It's just like basic, simple kind of writing. Selina, Why are you so cold? The guy's begging, begging for love. I suppose. So it's a very nice song. Please go there and download the song. It's on iTunes and all digital stores. And also, if you want to book the guys, I'm going to leave the details down below and also here on the screen. So if you want to contact them and you want to book them for gigs, please do so. Take off each other, guys. I'm testing it. Thank you very much. Shamina Ishtimele, Shamina Selina.
Why are you so cold? Selina, Selina. Why are you so cold? I give you my heart, give you my love, give you my all. Why are you so cold?
It's a nice song. It's a very, very, very nice song. I love it. I really, really love it. I love the song. Yeah, please go out there and check it out. It's by Nsuku and Tiyani. Nsuku is all the way from Tsanin and Tiyani is all the way from Shikundu. Outside Malamulele, out there. So yeah, Legremina, Ekes dos, salute, salute, salute. Mengatut man.